I am going to discuss about the first law of thermodynamics in today's class. Now, first law is subjected to a system when the system is heated by an amount of heat Q or delta Q. Now, the system, by observing the amount of heat, its internal energy will be raised by delta U. And with the help of this raising internal energy, it will perform some work, delta W. Now, according to the first law of thermodynamics, this delta Q, which is subjected to the system, will change the internal energy of system by amount delta U, and the remaining part of heat is used to perform some work W, delta dW. Now the system is defined by the properties. What are these properties? One is pressure, temperature, density, and mass. Now the system can be of any type. It can be an open system, it can be a closed system, or it can be isolated system. In the closed system, the system boundary is not going to change. The system boundary is not going to change. And the heat interaction, work interaction takes place at the boundary of the system. That is what's called closed system. In the open system, the boundary is going to change, expand or compress, or the boundary of the system is going to change, and the work and heat transfer will be taken place at the boundaries of system. And third, the isolated system. In this isolated system, the system boundary will not change. The heat will be generated internally, and the work and heat will be done internally. The change of energy will be internally generated. Now, I will explain the first law with respect to a IC engine, internal combustion engine. Consider a cylinder and a piston. Now, this is what is the system boundary. Between the piston and cylinder, there will be system boundary will be there. It is an open system because the piston will move, the system will be expanding. Now, this system, it is consists of air-fuel mixture. Initially, the temperature is Ta, pressure is Pa, and density is rho A, and it is having a mass M, Ma, mass M. Now, in this position, the system is ignited with a fuel. This fuel is ignited by a spark or a combustion fuel injection. Because of this, the system will be expanding to a new position, and that is the reason why it is an open system. And the work is done here. Now the temperature is Tb, pressure is Pb, density is rho b, and mass Mb. Now within this, what is happening? We are giving delta Q amount of heat to this compressed air-fuel mixture, and this delta Q is used to convert the internal energy mCv into Tb minus Ta. This is the energy and plus some work is done, that is integral P dV. Now this is the expansion process. If this expansion is done in adiabatic means, that means the heat is not transferred outside. The piston is insulated in such a way that the heat will not be rejected to the surroundings. So it is an adiabatic expansion.